guys, today we are going to see a botanical garden up here in Maleni, and if we get lucky we might get to see a very nice view of Glasshouse Mountain. It has been raining all day, so probably the weather is clean and we get to see a very nice view. So let's get started, guys. I think we are not using map, guys, so I think we are lost. We are just going here and there, but we'll find out. And the funny thing is, guys, I live here. This is surrounded near 10 kilometer. So yep, we're gonna find out, guys. All right, guys, we are near here, and I'm gonna flip the camera and show you on the way down. Alright, guys, check this out. This place is full of greenery. There are a lot of birds here, and we're gonna see birds. And I don't know, guys, like I have been here for like few minutes before, so I don't know how it's gonna look, but yeah, let's see what exciting thing we can find out. Check this out, guys. It looks like it's electric vehicle to ride inside the landmark, I guess. So it's pretty cool, like like it's sustainable and focused on environment, so that's very good on you, guys. Check this out. Look at that. Whoa, it looks like a whole lot of top and whole lot of forest, guys. I think we're gonna have a lot of fun, guys. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Woo! By the way, this is Prabha. No. Okay, she doesn't want to come to the camera. All right, check the view out from here, guys. It's pretty cool. That is a Glasshouse Mountain. You can see that there. Yep, those round there, that's the mountain. So there is this bird sightseeing going on around, so I cannot see much bird here, but anyway, we'll keep moving forward and we'll see what else we can find out. So yeah, let's see. So guys, I'm getting a lift. I forgot to buy the ticket, so I have to buy a ticket before I enter, and I'm getting a lift. Right, here is the lift. Electric vehicle. This is electric vehicle.
It is.
Okay. Yep.
Thank you so much. I'll be back.
Yep.
Are you going to go into the aviary?
Probably I just want to go in the garden, and then
Is it a different ticket that we have to buy to go to inside?
So to go in there, in total it's $37 to go into the aviary and the gardens.
Okay.
There's over 500 birds in there. So
Oh wow.
70% of those birds are rescue birds or rehome birds. So while it's not guaranteed, it is highly likely they'll come down and land on your shoulder and have a chat.
Okay. You know what? Let's do it.
Which one? The
Yeah,
aviary?
yeah,
I
yeah.
think so too. So what's the time? Because we might not be able to get you into that aviary till what is the time? Very fast.
This is a royal treatment, guys. This is a royal treatment, guys. With electric vehicle. Yep.
You get in there, Frank. All right. I think hang on 2 seconds.
Hold this, buddy. Guys, I just had to pay $74 to get inside. It was privately owned property. I didn't know, so I was already inside the property, and then this young lady said I have to buy a ticket. So you better hit that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel. We're gonna have fun. All right, let's get started, guys.
So when you're in the aviary, the
Yep.
trick with your mask is
Yep,
bird flies on you, pull your mask down and get a photo, put your mask up.
copy that. So this one is privately owned property. So like once So now that I have bought the ticket, can I go up there? I see there was a walking rail something. Yep.
Yes, that's got the map, you follow the map, but you need to be out by 4:30, 5.
Okay, okay. Let's see how much we can cover.
I know, you probably need a buggy.
So I have to buy buggy. I have to pay for this one separately.
Yes, but you probably won't have time for a buggy because your tour will finish at 4 and then the ground's closed 4:35. So if it was me, I would come out of
Okay,
here.
let's get
and go
started.
that way.
Yep, let's do it,
Let's
man.
get it started. Good luck with the macaw on your head.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Come, baby.
So these are the place where the birds are kept, you know. So we are gonna go in at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock, you know. 3 o'clock. So let's see how we're gonna. Yeah, let's see how it's gonna be. I was told that there are over 500 birds here, and I'm looking forward to have fun with birds. This is a map of a hidden treasure. Come to the Maleni and enjoy and find the hidden treasure with lots of birds and beautiful landscape. Thank you. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Peacock, peacock, peacock. Hello. Look at that. So right now they are having a tour, and after this one is finished, we are going to go inside and we are gonna see from inside. So have patience, guys, and then we'll be inside in no time. यो सिनेमेटिकमा जुम इन हुँदैन के ओइ ओइ I have never seen this big bird in my life. These birds are crazy big. Never ever have I seen this big bird. Look at the tail. Look at them. Look at that. How big is that bird?
You're the last one leaving, my love. Daniel, son.
Alright guys, I think it's our time to go in now, so we will be escorted inside. And yeah, let's see. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. So my name is Darcy. I'll be a tour guide for this afternoon. I'll just play a quick health and safety video.
Yep.
And once this video is finished, I'll come back out and we'll start heading into the tour.
Welcome to Bird World. Now before we get started, I do need to run through a quick health and safety, so please ensure you are listening closely. Number 1, please make sure that you're always watching the ground directed.
The birds are going crazy. Alright guys, we are inside now, and yeah, I think we'll be guided or escorted. Yep. I'm gonna be at back. I'm gonna see how it goes with them, and then I'm just gonna follow them. Check those little fellas. Dukur.
Alright, so we're coming this way now first. Trying to scare away the fences. That would be a nice photo. Alright, so this aviary is our predominantly soft-bill aviary. So we call it our finch aviary. So soft-bill species include doves, quails, canaries, pigeons, finches. We also have a young male peacock in here
Yep.
and a golden pheasant. I'll try and find him a bit later as well. We now have 5 parrots in here as well. So you'll see 2 bull and gold macaws up the top. They're Sally and Coco. We've got Tiny, our young male black cockatoo here. And then we also have 2 sulphur crested cockatoos. So all parrots except for Tiny are in here. Sorry. So basically being the underdogs of our parrots. So they don't do as well in a social setting.
Okay.
With lots of other parrots. I say except for Tiny because he's a bully and this is his timeout area. Tiny is a young male redtail. Redtails are very territorial and like a lot of attention, especially Tiny.
Is it common to have like black parrot? Like it's very common?
In Australia? In Australia, yes. So there's 5 different species of redtails.
Okay.
Of black cockatoos.
Okay.
So these guys are found pretty much everywhere in Australia.
Okay.
Most distributed in Australia.
Are you scared? No? Oh!
No, he's super friendly.
This one is small.
So these little finches here, these are called Gouldian finches. So Gouldian finches are native to the northern regions of Australia. So the Northern Territory, the Kimberleys and Cape York. Males have a really dark purple chest. Females have a more of a pale colour or white chest. We'll head over this way.
Peacock. So how do you know if that is male or female by looking or?
So he was born here last year.
Okay.
And he was born in the main aviary.
Yeah.
And then his mum had 2 new chicks that he wanted to kill, so we brought him in here. But because he's got the really strong, brightly coloured neck, females are a lot more dull. So he's a young male. It'll take up to around 3 years for him to fully grow his tail feathers.
Okay.
So male peacocks normally have a really big train of a tail.
Yeah.
Really colourful. So he's still growing that out. So you can normally tell pretty early on. I mean, females have a... If it comes out... This is Sammy. Sammy the cockatoo.
Yeah.
So Sammy is not a great flyer in comparison to other cockatoos.
Okay.
He's a little bit more shy and reserved. So he had been attacked a couple times by other cockatoos in the next area.
Okay.
So that's why she's now she does better with less birds, less parrots around. So with sulphur-crested cockatoos, guys, the way to tell between male and female is the colour of their eyes. So females have more of a brown burgundy eye colour, hers are quite red. Males have a dark black.
Okay.
We've got a white-breasted New Guinea duck. So he's called a golden pheasant. He's the male, so female pheasants are brown. Don't have much colour on them at all.
Make the aviary great again. Oh, yeah.
We also have a northern red bishop weaver, bright red and black. This is what it's wearing. And the northern red bishop weaver is the most beautiful thing. Let's see if I can show you. Northern hides in here. Oh, he's right here. So if you have a look through the gap here, you can see.
Yeah.
You open the door. And they're an African. Bleeding white dove, we have 2. So you see dove, it's got a big red patch on its chest. It's completely natural. So you can see him just coming out kind of bush there.
Yeah. This place is crazy, guys. Like lots of birds, man. I've never seen this kind of bird. Like there was some bleeding heart dove. There was some other pigeons, and look at the parrot, guys. It's crazy. Crazy,
They're
guys.
our local black cockatoo species, so they're the ones that we see more commonly in tails. Red tails, as I was saying earlier, are the most distributed of all black cockatoo species in Australia. So with the red tails, they do look a little bit different. So mature males are completely black with a red panel tail underneath, like Stewie here. Females,
No, don't touch
yellow
it.
spots in their face and stripes to the back of the tail. So if you have a look at the back here, it's got yellow on the left. You can see that.
We're gonna take a walk. I'm gonna be your tour guide. And yep. Keep it hold on. We are checking the birds out.
So with the red tails as well, all juveniles, when they're young, start off with spots and stripes. So all juveniles look the same, and so you can't tell who's male and female until they reach sexual maturity, when they start to go through the transition.
Oh no.
So this is chicken, and at the start of the show. So, not necessarily just the bossy. Chicken! Yeah. Hello. I've got scraps on so these guys were born here. They're only about 4 years old, these two. So they are from the same crop. Hey, hey, hey. Let's not do that. Don't be rude.
How long do they live?
These guys can live up to 120 years old.
Oh, wow.
120 years. Mate.
So in captivity, up to 120. In the wild, more like 20 to 30 years.
Yeah.
Danielle, move your arms a bit closer to yourself.
This one's chicken.
Look at it.
So these guys are very young, they're only about 4 years old, and they are that bad. So chicken does split.
Oh, look.
Cleo on my shoulder is a long-billed Corella.
Every single penny is worth it, guys. Come visit Maleni Botanical Garden. You pay around $34, guys. It's good.
Ow!
And we have a major mystery cockatoo in here as well. Hi, Rocco. So this guy's our one-legged male.
Okay.
So he's only got 1 foot.
So like unnaturally only 1 foot?
Unnaturally. Yeah, he had to be amputated. So he was someone's pet, and a lot of birds that come from a breeder, parrots, you'll see have a little silver band, stainless steel band around one of their legs, so you can see it's got it there. And it normally has like a little breeder ID on it. So Rocco's had split and got stuck in wire, and he panicked obviously and started trying to gnaw away to get himself out of where he was trapped.
Danielle, hopefully it's not taking the number 2.
So all that medical treatments and everything, you do it here?
Ow, no, it's not my glasses.
Oh.
Now they join the party.
Harley the yellowtail is actually not very tame. Okay, finally. So these guys are called Equestus parrots. They're these beautiful big green ones here. So the males are green. And the females are red and blue. So if you have a look right at the back there near the point of the roof, you can see a male and female together right at the very back of the rafter. So they're known for being the most sexually dimorphic parrot species, which means that male and female look very different.
Right.
Yeah, this is the only parrot I have seen in Nepal. Like I come from Nepal, and this is the only kind of parrot I have seen. So all this is new to me.
Yeah, well, they're not even they're found in Australia.
Okay.
Only found far up north.
Okay. So probably, yeah, but
Papua New Guinea and the Solomon Islands.
okay, okay.
We do have, but not this big one.
This guy here, this is Veda. So Veda is a hybrid. So that's why he looks the way he does. So he's a galah crossed with a self-protected cockatoo.
Is that just naturally they breed
Can
so
they
much?
naturally
Very
breed?
rarely.
Very rarely, yeah.
That's, people do it in captivity.
Photo देखा ना?
It's a little bit of a funny. He is a really good boy. He just doesn't know.
Hey, buddy. Say like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Yeah, like and subscribe, guys.
And visit.
Yes.
Hold on, straight like that. No,
So this is the female red-tailed black cockatoo that I was talking about.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah.
So you'll see that her beak is a different colour as well. So the male.
This little fella just speak. He said we are best friend. Speak again.
What did you say? What did you say? Hello? Oh, you're shy now. Oh, there you go, now.
I'll start with the macaws then. So we've actually got 3 different species of macaw in here. So Lila's a scarlet macaw. Hello. 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 An anxious macaw, I'd say. So she does a lot better in here with the smaller species. And that's why she's not in with the rest of the macaws. So they didn't really accept her into the flock. Not her partner, but the male that she was surrendered with, that she lived with, is in there. He's a lot more confident and does a lot better in there with them, and they were never really bonded. So he was a bit more of a bully to Lila, so it was actually better to have them separated. We now have instead her new boyfriend Skoda, which is this guy here. He's also a macaw. So he's also a full-grown macaw. He's one of the smaller species. He's called a yellow-collared macaw.
Come here. Come here. Houston, we have a problem. Houston, we have a problem.
These two green ones there, they are the smallest macaw species.
Like and subscribe,
They're
guys.
called Hans macaws.
Say hello. Hello. Go on. Say hello.
Oh, but that one, yeah. Well, that's because this one's bigger. Yeah.
Are you okay? You holding on?
Say like and subscribe. No? Okay. Hey. Don't do that. Come here. Come here. Listen. Listen.
Whoa!
These birds are pretty happy, man. These birds are pretty happy, right? But very beautiful. Look at the color, guys. Look at the. Hello. 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 Look at the colors, the detailing. Oh my goodness, so incredible, incredible, man. Hello. This is their food. There's one little fella here. Hey, little buddy. Come here. Don't be afraid. I got you. I got you. Come here. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. If you don't want to be picked.
We have another pheasant. I'll show him. He's down at the back here, sitting on the small table on the right. Yeah.
Okay. Both at the same time.
I love it. I think if I got a small one on my shoulder and a big one won't come. So I'm actually
So,
buying
where is
presents
that
for
bird from? That one?
China as well.
Amazon?
China.
China? Okay. What is the name of that bird?
Lady and pheasant.
Is that from China? Oh.
Yep.
Which part?
I couldn't tell you which part, but they're found in like mountainous areas, mountainous regions.
Right. Oh, I know, that's what I'm saying, right? You know, they wouldn't survive wild in China. They go barbecue.
Yeah. Same with the golden pheasants.
Yes,
So the
sir?
golden
Yeah.
pheasants.
Not in my eyes.
So pretty.
We do have a female here that I'd love to show you because she looks nothing like him. But she normally hides away in the bush. She's small and brown.
What if it's a silly food and then you probably can't release them to the wild? Ooh.
Hey, that bird is racing.
For the most part, it is snake proof, like, you know.
Yeah.
But if we get carpet pipe,
Come on, buddy, say hello. Look at that. Hello. What's your name? I name you Rate. Your name is Rate. Alright, you very red. So I name you Rate. That's a beautiful bird. This one is pretty colorful, hey. हेर्दाखेरि मात्रै सानो यार कस्तो कस्तो हो के बल के and that's a peacock. It's a little bit scared. I think the other birds are bullying the peacock, so I'll leave it. So guys, we're out of the bird watching view, and yeah, now we're gonna see and explore the landscape here. It's pretty beautiful up here. It's privately owned and you have to pay some money, but I think like if you are looking for that escape, a day escape, return back, then this place is pretty incredible. Come check it out. By the way, this is not a sponsor, guys. Like I'm not sponsored, so yeah. That is an electric vehicle ride you can hire when you are up here. So yeah, like there are option of transportations as well. So you can make your journey bit easy, I guess. And yep, let's see if we can get some. It says the fairy garden. One of the best place ever. Full of nature, quiet, beautifully maintained. Look at the sky out. Check this out. Look at the the ponds or artificially made pond, and that's pretty sweet. And look at the flowers up there. I am going to try to give a flip. It's been a while I haven't tried, but this place looks incredible. I feel really pumped. Let's see. Papa is gonna do a flip. Hey! How did that go? Oh yeah. What? Lorry? Once again. Huh? That was better. to the view, guys. I'm gonna keep my mouth shut now. This place is so huge, guys. You can literally get lost inside. And like if you are coming here, I think like make sure you have water, drinkable, potable water. Like there's a lot of place to cover, and you might get thirsty pretty quick. So yeah, like if you do that, maybe it will help you. Anyway, let's keep exploring. I don't have much time. I was told to get out by 4:30 as the property will be closed or something, but I have so much to explore. So yep, let's move forward. The floors are pretty slippery, and it's yep. Oh, I think we went the other way around, and now we are almost back at where we started. So I think yeah, like this was it. So pretty much we covered all of the place. So yep. This is a jungle walk. So I think I'm back in the same place where I started to walk on the way to the exit. And yeah, guys, I'm pretty thirsty right now, and I think I'm gonna end my video here. If you guys have watched all the way through, guys, please feel free to hit the like button, comment what you feel like, if you are, yeah, and then hit the subscribe button, guys. Thank you, guys. Catch you later, guys.